Before you start chasing the money, take a moment to reflect. Success begins with clarity about who you are and what you can offer to the world. Steps. Write down your skills like coding, editing, writing, or public speaking. Identify your passions such as gaming, art, fitness, or tech. Research problems you could solve for others like creating study apps, selling trendy clothing, or offering AI-related services. Action point. Set a specific goal like I will earn $10,000 a month by the end of 2025. Break this goal into smaller monthly targets. The world evolves fast. Stay ahead by capitalizing on trends shaping 2025. Key opportunities: AI and automation. Offer services like building AI-powered tools or creating content with AI tools like ChatGPT. Content creation. Build a personal brand on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. Create content in popular niches such as AI hacks, financial tips, or fitness. Web3 and crypto. Create NFTs, join DAO communities, or trade cryptocurrencies. Gaming and esports. Earn by streaming, competing, or creating guides for popular games. E-commerce. Start a Shopify store selling products or a print-on-demand business using tools like Printful. To hit $1 million, you need multiple income streams working for you at once. Detailed steps: freelancing. Offer services like video editing, graphic design, or coding. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or TopTal. Affiliate marketing. Promote products on your social media and earn commissions. Use affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Dropshipping. Sell trending products online without handling inventory. Use tools like Aberlo to automate. Digital products. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, or printables. For example, design study planners or fitness trackers. Social media monetization. Build a following and earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, or selling your own merchandise. Technology isn't just a tool, it's your accelerator. Use it to automate, optimize, and scale your ventures. Steps. Use AI for content creation. Tools like ChatGPT for writing scripts, Canva for designing, and Dolly for generating visuals. Automate social media. Schedule posts using tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. Streamline e-commerce. Use fulfillment services like Printful or Amazon FBA to handle shipping. Track performance. Use analytics tools to monitor progress and adapt strategies. Earning is one thing. Growing your wealth is another. Invest wisely to make your money work for you. Investment options. 1. Crypto. Learn about blockchain projects and invest cautiously in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or altcoins. 2. Stocks. Use platforms like Robinhood or eToro to invest in blue-chip stocks or ETFs. 3. Fractional real estate. Invest small amounts in property through platforms like Fundrise. And 4. Yourself. Reinvest in courses, tools, or mentorship to upgrade your skills. Your network determines your net worth. Connect with people who inspire and push you. Steps 1. Join industry-specific online communities on Reddit, Discord, or Twitter. 2. Attend webinars, meetups, or virtual events. 3. Seek out mentors on LinkedIn or within your community. Ideas mean nothing without action. Take bold steps and keep going even when it gets tough. Final tips. 1. Start small but stay consistent. 2. Learn from failures and adapt quickly. And 3. Celebrate progress, not just the final goal. Achieving $1 million as a teenager in 2025 isn't easy, but it's possible. Stay focused, embrace trends, and work smart. Success is waiting.